Hello, everyone. Did you have a chance to read today's article? Have you ever felt completely full but still said yes to dessert? Today's article explains why that happens. Scientists discovered that eating sweets after a big meal triggers endorphin release in the brain, making us feel rewarded. This may help explain the age-old saying, "There's always room for ice cream." Let's explore more through today's quiz. Let's take a closer look at today's story by checking your understanding with a short quiz. You can pause if you need more time to think. Ready? Let's get started. First question. What did researchers discover happens when mice eat sugar after a full meal? A. They become hyperactive. B. Their metabolism slows down. C. Their brain releases endorphins. D. They lose interest in sweets. Take a moment to think about it. The correct answer is C. Researchers found that when mice eat sugar after a full meal, specific nerve cells in the brain trigger the release of endorphins, which causes a feeling of satisfaction. Number 2. Why is the brain's reaction to sweets after a meal considered counterproductive today? A. Because it leads to better digestion. B. Because it makes people eat less protein. C. Because it encourages overeating in a world full of sugar. D. Because it slows down the metabolism. Consider your answer carefully. The correct answer is C. While this instinct helped animals survive in nature, today it encourages people to overeat because sweets are so easy to find. Time for a quick true-false quiz. Read each statement carefully and decide whether it's true or false. Number 3. The endorphin effect occurs when sugar is eaten on an empty stomach. Think about your response. The statement is false. The article explains that this brain response only happens when sugar is consumed after a person or animal is already full, not on an empty stomach. Number 4. Researchers believe this discovery could help develop better weight control treatments. Reflect on your answer. The statement is true. Understanding this sweet craving mechanism could lead to treatments that help people avoid unnecessary snacking after meals, especially for those struggling with obesity. Having explored the article through these questions, let's now engage in a discussion to delve deeper into the themes presented. Consider the following question and share your thoughts. Here is a question for you. What are some things that cause the brain to release endorphins? Are most of these things healthy or harmful? What's your opinion?
Well, common sources of endorphins include exercise, laughter, music, and even spicy food. These are generally healthy ways to boost your mood. But on the other hand, some people chase that same happy feeling through unhealthy habits like overeating, gambling, or risky behavior. That's why I think it's important to be aware of both sides, what helps and what harms. If we understand how endorphins work, we can make better choices. Instead of relying on unhealthy habits, we can turn to things that feel good and do good. Exercise, creative hobbies, or spending time with others can boost our mood without causing damage.
Thanks for joining today. We learned why dessert still sounds good after a big meal and how endorphins play a role. Hopefully you'll think twice next time you say, "There's always room for ice cream." See you in the next session.